In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove old email suggestions on Gmail. If you've ever started typing an address and an outdated or incorrect email keeps popping up, this walkthrough will help you clean that list so you only see the contacts you actually want to use. Gmail suggests addresses based on your contacts and on people you've emailed before. The quickest way to remove an unwanted suggestion is directly from the Compose window. Start by opening Gmail on your computer and clicking Compose to create a new message. In the To field, begin typing the email address you want to get rid of. As the suggestions appear beneath the field, look for the exact address that's causing trouble. Hover your mouse over that suggestion to highlight it. On the right side, you should see a small X or a remove option appear. Click it, and that specific suggestion will be cleared from autocomplete for your account. This works best when the suggestion is coming from previous interactions rather than a saved contact. If you don't see an X or remove option when you hover, that usually means the address is stored as a contact, so we'll handle it from your contacts list instead. For that, open Google Contacts while signed into the same Google account you use for Gmail. In the search bar at the top, type the name or the email address you want to remove. When you find the matching contact, click it to open the full contact view. In the upper area of the contact card, click the three dots labeled More Actions. From the menu that appears, select Delete. You'll be asked to confirm. Choose Delete again to finalize it. Deleting a contact removes it from your address book and stops it from showing up as an autocomplete suggestion in Gmail. Take a moment to confirm you're deleting the correct one, especially if there are multiple similar addresses. If you rely on that contact elsewhere, remember that deleting it removes all associated details in your Google Contacts. Once you've removed the suggestion using either approach, you can return to Gmail, start a new message, and type in the To field again. You should no longer see the old unwanted address in the list. If you use multiple devices, these changes sync with your Google account, so the cleanup should carry over. That's it. By clearing the suggestion from the Compose window, or removing the matching contact in Google Contacts, you can keep Gmail's autocomplete tidy and accurate, saving time and avoiding misaddressed emails.